Hi, this is Anthony from Evotech Pacific, and in today's video we're going to be looking at the MagicArt7 laser engraving software. This software is specifically for the red technology L3 and also the L2 laser engravers. Now what we'll do on this job is we can see we have this this bracelet pendant here. That's it's got a cord going right through it. We haven't removed the actual part from the cord itself. We're going to clamp it into or secure it into the clamp, and what we'll do is we'll select our text tool and we'll just type in, say, yes, and then we'll just center that first, zoom in a little, and we'll scale that that word down a little just so that it can fit nicely onto the actual part itself that we want to engrave onto. Now, one thing that we can do is we can select our preview, and in the preview option here we've got either a rectangle or an outline. Now if I just select the rectangle and hit preview, what will happen is the software will project a rectangle this size onto the actual piece itself, and that's really handy when it comes to locating where the engraving is going to go. Alternatively, we can select the outline option, and it will also create an outline of the actual font itself, and that can be really handy as well because you can see where the engraving is going to sit on the actual piece. So once I'm happy with all of that, I'm then going to create my toolpath for it. So I'm going to go to my laser option here. I'll select black marking for this one here and hit create toolpath. That's going to create our toolpath. If we zoom in there, we can see that it's a really tight hatch pattern, which is what we're after. And then we can go along to the magic laser button, and we can select which preset we want to go with. Now I'm going to go with the stainless steel deep marking here. I select 100%, but I'm only going to do, say, 4 counts for this one, and I'm not going to do any cleaning passes. In the last video we did a cleaning pass, but this one here we're going to leave it as oxidized black as it comes out from the laser engraver. Alright, so after we've done that, all we've got to do is hit the start engrave button there. And then once we're ready, we hit start, and the cover will come down and the laser engraver will begin to engrave. Okay, so now that we've hit the start button, the protective cover will come down and the machine will begin its first laser pass. As you can see, this is really punching quite in to the metal. This is only a 30-watt machine as well, so a 60-watt is going to be even punchier, and even more so with a 100-watt. And once the cover lifts up, you'll be able to see the end result. That square that you can see around it, that's the preview square, so we just click that one off, and you can see that that's cut into that metal really quite nicely. So when we take it off the machine, you can see that the oxidization is there. It's a really dark oxidization, and you'll also notice that the oxidization is still around the outside of the engraving. Now that should be easily removed by either a silver cloth or a gold cloth, or perhaps polishing it on the buff and giving it a quick ultrasonic. Alright, so that's a fairly quick and easy video on the MagicArt7 software. I hope that's been helpful. Feel free to subscribe. Thanks very much for watching.